Today, we take the monorail to the Grand Floridian and eat at the Grand Floridian Cafe. We'll tell you what's good and show you a creative dessert. After exploring the grounds, we take the boat back to the Polynesian for some pool time and Dole Whips. Join us! Hello! It's the next day in Walt Disney World. We had a late night last night. We got to bed around 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning?
Yeah.
Like after 2 in the morning. And so it's pretty late right now. It's almost noon. We're gonna go have lunch at the Grand Floridian Cafe.
And we're gonna take the monorail.
And then later we're gonna have some more fun in the pool and then go to the Epcot After Hours event.
Yay!
Stitch is gonna stay here with his picture. The Marvel work, we have Goofy, Donald, Mickey, and Minnie. A tiny little setup for kids. We're having brunch at the Grand Floridian Cafe. Alright, got the French press here. Alright, gonna push my French press. Gonna take some force. Slow. I like this little container. I like these cups.
This is a tropical splash, a refreshing surprise of blended strawberries and Minute Maid orange juice. This is the specialty character drink, Minute Maid Zero Sugar Lemonade with flavors of cotton candy served in a souvenir character cup.
Okay. This is the brioche French toast, Madagascar vanilla bean scented brioche French toast served with bacon or sausage.
This is the grilled chicken breast with fruit salad and worms and dirt. This is the Grand Floridian Cafe signature burger.
Artisanal 7-ounce burger patty with brie, bacon pepper jam, roasted garlic aioli, and arugula on a brioche bun, served with cafe signature waffle fries. This is the gluten-free Mickey-shaped waffles with cheesy hash browns and fruit.
Yummy.
These hash browns are delicious. It's a cheesy hash brown. I'm feeding the camera can't see it. That's the cheese? Oh wow. Is that good? It's like a cheese stick. It's like that looks good. Oh, that's the brie.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh wow. Whoa, brie cheese squeeze.
My burger was good for the first half, but in the second half got like burnt. But and the French fries were good. Yeah.
And how about that brie?
Oh yeah, that cheese was really good and it was really gooey and oozy.
So much better than Steakhouse 71.
Yeah. So
When it was burned.
I give it 4 or 4.5 out of 5.
My breakfast was delicious, and you can see everything's gone. Mickey waffles were good, the classic Mickey waffles, and those hash browns were really good. The cheesy hash browns and the fruit, like the coffee, everything was really good. I'd say it would have been a 4 just with the Mickey waffles, but with those cheesy hash browns, I'd give it a 4.5 out of 5. So 4.5 out of 5 for this meal. Good place, nice atmosphere. Our waitress was really great, very attentive.
How did you rate your meal?
So I really love those cheesy hash browns. They're surprisingly delicious. I sampled Becca's bacon jam with it. It was really great. Fabulous. Cheesy hash browns, definitely 5 out of 5. French toast was really good. I think I've had a little bit better because it could have used like maybe a little bit more added something. So the French toast about 4.5 and the cheesy 5.
How was your drink? Go.
Okay, wait. I really liked my drink. It was very tasty. So I give it a 5 out of 5.
It was really good. I would give it a 4.5 out of 5. It was really good. It tasted like a lemonade with like a little slight different taste that I don't know what it was. But it was still really good. So 4.5.
This is the dirt and worms. Comes in a little pot. Ken, you're eating dirt and worms. How gross.
Yummy.
has dinner worms. Excellent. It was a great meal. Next, we walked around the hotel a little bit. I love the marble artwork that they have. We checked out the pool. And then we went outside. This is the restaurant Narcoossee's. Here's Seven Seas Lagoon. You can see across the way is the Contemporary Resort. And then there's Magic Kingdom. You can see Space Mountain. And we're gonna take the boat back to the Polynesian. Alright, we're back at the pool. It's pretty hot outside, so I'm gonna cool off at the pool. It's a great time for the pool. It's 94 degrees outside. It says with the humidity it feels like 99 degrees. So we're gonna relax in the pool a little bit before we go to Epcot. If you wanna see our full pool tour and experience, go ahead and click the link right over there. Next we got some Dole Whips and got ready for the Epcot night event. That's gonna be in our next video, so make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that. The Grand Floridian Cafe was a great place to have a meal. Highly recommended. The atmosphere was relaxing, had kind of that classic Victorian feel. Fun to walk around the hotel. We'll see you in the next video.